Assalamualaikum dear students of class 2, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome to your English class. Open your book Oxford Progressive English OPE page number 19. Dear students, we have studied exercise A and B. Now we will move forward to exercise C and D. Dear students, look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? Can you see sugar, flour, oil, fruit jam, bread and milk? Dear students, we have to make phrases, sentences about these food items. I will read sentences about these food items. You have to listen to me carefully. You have to make phrases about these food items and make a link between sentence and these food items like this. A bowl of sugar, and you have to put correct number along with the sentence like this. Number 1 is a bowl of sugar and number 2 is a bag of flour. Now I am going to read this. A bowl of sugar, a bag of flour, a bottle of oil, a jar of fruit jam, a loaf of bread, a jug of milk. Now can you read those sentences here? Can you see that? Here is written. Read again. A bowl of sugar, a bag of flour, a bottle of milk, a bottle of oil, a jar of jam, a loaf of bread, a jug of milk. Now you have to make a link these sentences with these food items like I have done and put correct number along with the sentence. Dear students, let's identify again. This is a bowl, this is a bag, and this is a bottle, and this is a jar, and this is a loaf, and this is a jug. Dear students, when we ask something to give us, we must tell them quantity, that how much we need. If we want sugar, we will ask them that give me 1 bowl of sugar. If we want jam, we will ask that give me or pass me 1 jar of the jam. Dear students, जब हम किसी से कुछ मांगेंगे, पहले हमें ये पता लगाना है कि हमें चाहिए कितना. तो हमें कितना चाहिए तो हम कैसे बताएंगे कि हमें शुगर यानी चीनी जो है वो हमें कितनी चाहिए और जैम हमें कितनी चाहिए. तो हम ऐसे कहेंगे कि गिव मी जार ऑफ जैम और गिव मी सम जैम. जब हम जार मांगेंगे तो हम कहेंगे कि हमें ये जार चाहिए, मैं ऐसे जैम लूँगा थोड़ी सी. और जब हम चीनी मांगते हैं तो हम ऐसे मांगते हैं कि हमें 1 कप चीनी दीजिए. ठीक है, तो हम बताते हैं कि हमें कितनी चाहिए. तो हम यहाँ पर हमें बताया गया है कि ये जो चीज़ें हैं ये इस तरह से होती हैं. अगर हम कहीं पे इनको रखेंगे या हम किसी से मांगेंगे या हम किसी दुकानदार से ख़रीदेंगे तो हम ऐसे बोलेंगे कि गिव मी अ बैग ऑफ फ्लोर, अ बॉटल ऑफ ऑयल एंड अ जार ऑफ जैम. तो हम ऐसे तो नहीं बोलेंगे ना कि जैम दे दो, चीनी दे दो, फ्लोर दे दो. हमें बतानी होगी क्वांटिटी. और वो हमसे पूछेंगे कैसे कि हमें कितना चाहिए, या अगर कोई हमसे मांग रहा है कुछ तो हम कैसे पूछेंगे कि हमें कितना चाहिए. When we ask about quantity, we use how much or and how many. How much and how many. How many is for countable or countable nouns that we can count with numbers, and how much is used for uncountable things that we cannot count on numbers. Dear students, we cannot count jam, sugar, flour, oil, milk. These are uncountable. We will use along with how much. But we can count bread. Bread is countable, so we will use how many. Eggs and bread is a countable noun. We can use how many with them. That we will ask that how many bread you want, how many bread is needed, how many eggs you want, or how many eggs are needed. But we will ask with sugar, how much sugar, how much flour, how much oil, how much fruit, and how much milk. Okay, students, is that clear that we use how many with countable things and we use how much for uncountable things? Now come to the exercise D. Ask and answer the question about the picture using how much is there. There is a lot. There is a little. So when we ask something with how much, we will say that, or the answer is that there is a lot or there is a little. अगर कोई चीज़ ज़्यादा होगी तो हम ऐसे बोलेंगे कि ये there is a lot. अगर कोई चीज़ थोड़ी सी होगी तो हम बोलेंगे कि there is a little. ठीक है? Dear students, first you have to look at the pictures and check out that quantity of food items. That, for example, this is sugar, and I think this bowl is full with sugar. And jam, there is a half jar of jam. ये जो जार है जैम का, ये हाफ है. ये बाउल फुल है और ये फ्लोर का जो बैग है वो भी फुल है. और ऑयल जो है बहुत थोड़ा सा है. और ये ब्रेड का जो लॉफ है वो भी फुल है. ये मिल्क भी थोड़ा सा है. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपको ये जो एक्सरसाइज है, पहले आप क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे कि हाउ मच इज़ देयर, फिर आप उसका आंसर देंगे कि देयर इज़ अ लॉट और देयर इज़ अ लिटिल. नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I have written here sugar. You will ask that how much sugar is there. The answer is that there is a lot. And you will ask like that, how much flour is there? You will answer also that there is a lot. And come to the oil. How much oil is there? There is a little. So देखा आपने कि हमने हाउ मच कैसे यूज़ किया है. जिन चीज़ों को हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते वहाँ हम हाउ मच यूज़ करेंगे, और जो चीज़ हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, हमें दिखाई दे रही है कि ये नंबर्स के साथ हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, तो हम वहाँ हाउ मेनी यूज़ करेंगे. कि जैसे ब्रेड की जो स्लाइसेस हैं हम उन्हें काउंट कर सकते हैं, तो वहाँ हम हाउ मेनी यूज़ करेंगे. सो वी विल आस्क लाइक दैट, how many bread is there? The answer will be there is a lot. Now we will ask how much jam is there? There is a little. How much oil is there? There is a little. And how much milk is there? And you have to say that okay, a little. So bread is countable. And all of the other food items are uncountable: sugar, jam, flour, oil, milk. So dear students, make questions with how much. Now you have to make questions only with how much. Okay, how much sugar, how much flour, how much oil, how much jam. And you have to write down the answer along with these questions, that there is a lot or there is a little. Dear students, आपको पहले how much के साथ questions बनाने हैं. वो questions आपको अपनी कॉपी पे लिखने हैं, फिर उनके साथ ये आंसर भी लिखना है कि there is a lot या there is a little. पहले आप पिक्चर में देखेंगे कि कोई चीज़ ज़्यादा है तो आप उसको there is a lot लिखेंगे. अगर कोई चीज़ बहुत थोड़ी सी है तो आप उसमें there is a little लिखेंगे. ठीक है, ये आपका होमवर्क है. ये एक्सरसाइज आपको कंप्लीट करनी है, और ये एक्सरसाइज भी आप अपने अपने बुक में कंप्लीट करके मुझे पिक्चर भेजनी है. ठीक है, डू योर होमवर्क केयरफुली. टिल देन, अल्लाह हाफिज़. टेक केयर.